Hi families, it's great to see all of you. I feel like I've seen you through your teachers and the work that students have been posting online. I'm here at my house working too, so if you hear my sweet little boy in the back, he's talking and playing and reading this afternoon. Just want you to know that we miss you dearly. It is not the same. The times I've popped into school, it's quiet, it's different without kids there. So hope you've had a great second week. I know you're building those routines and figuring out attendance and kids are turning work in. But know that we are gonna have a pickup for additional materials for our kindergarten or our La Academia Kinder and our Kinder Academy, and there are videos below specifically for those families. Tonight we are also turning on our lights at 7:30 for 112 minutes because we're District 112 to just celebrate all the work that's happening across our site. So both the football fields at Chaska and Chan, their lights will be on tonight, as well as putting your front light on from 7:30 till 9:22, I think, or 9:12, something like that. There's more messages down below. There's lots of updates from PTO and from our dean, so check those out below. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help. Your teachers can also help you out. There is going to be a survey, a district survey, if you haven't already gotten it. And we want your input, so please give that to us. As always, be well, be safe, and we miss you all.